Yes, I filed a motion for a special appearance.
Yeah, that's meaningless to me, sir. And I struck that from the record, so it's of no moment.
Indeed, I object.
Noted. So I'm just going to set you over, Mr. Purple. Is that what you need?
Yes,
Some
sir.
more time?
Yes.
Yeah. Guys, he was just sitting on that other date.
Okay.
All right. We'll see you back here on the 29th of May, sir.
Thank you.
Prince Pugh, stay, would you please start a record?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. This is State of Indiana versus Prince Pugh. The cause number is 64D012305, ISO F54448. Defendant is present in court in person by video conferencing, is here with counsel, Mr. Steve Provost, State of Indiana by Gary German.
I think it's an F6, though. That's just a typo. It's definitely 2305 F64448. Morning, Mr. Pugh. Can you hear us okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Provost?
Your Honor, I don't have anything new to report to the court. I haven't been able to see Mr. Pugh since he was rearrested on this matter. However, I have reviewed the pleadings that Mr. Pugh has filed, and I guess I'm looking to get some clarification from the court and Mr. Pugh as to my office's involvement in this matter, Your Honor. From what I've read, it appears Mr. Pugh is desirous of representing himself in this matter and has filed his own pleadings in accordance with that desire. But I want to be clear if in fact that is what he wants and if my office should be withdrawing from this case.
Well, what happened was I entered an order striking some pleadings back in November. There were some more pleadings that were filed. I struck those in last week. And then there were some more pleadings filed, and I have a motion, or an order rather, that strikes those. But while it was in the work queue, some more motions came in. So I needed to work on the order to strike the additional pleadings that came in. We don't allow for hybrid representation in this court, Mr. Pugh. So I've appointed counsel for you, and you need to file anything that would come to the court has to come through counsel. You can't file things on your own, sir. You understand that?
No, I do not understand that.
Okay, well, that's how it is. So anything you need to file has to come from your lawyer. And if it doesn't come from your lawyer, I will strike it from the record because we don't allow what we call hybrid representation. Okay?
I object.
Okay, we'll note your objection for the record, sir.
Your Honor, do we need to have any discussion with Mr. Pugh on whether he wants to proceed pro se?
I don't have a motion from him to proceed on his own and without counsel.
May I ask, I understand you're not going to address it today, Your Honor, but just so I'm clear.
I mean, he hasn't filed that motion.
Yes, I filed a motion for a special appearance.
Yeah, that's meaningless to me, sir. And I struck that from the record, so it's of no moment.
Indeed, I object.
Noted. So I'm just going to set you over, Mr. Purple. Is that what you need?
Yes, sir.
Some more time?
Yes.
My Honor, are you aware that the respondent is a national citizen to the United States of American Republic, which is a sovereign government that has its own jurisdiction? Is the court aware of that?
Mr. Pugh, I'm going to set your case over for a few weeks to June the 12th at 8:30. I'll have you back June the 12th at 8:30, and we'll see you back here then.
I object.
Noted. This denied that you want to subpoena Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. I don't believe he's going to have anything relevant to talk about at the trial. We'll make sure this gets uploaded as well. I need that stamped as well. That needs to go in there too. Wasted a stamp on that one. Okay. Good?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Well, how come last time, I tried to ask them if I could turn something into them through the correctional office. They told me they just fed me they just fed me a story that they gotta ask somebody if they can or can't do that, and they tried to act like I wasn't allowed to do that.
I don't know. I generally believe that when somebody tells me something like that, that there is some sort of administrative process they have to go through to actually do the thing that you're trying to get done, because they're trying to protect and keep people safe and all this.
So what if I try to get them to do what you just asked me to, and they tell me no once again?
Well, I think they're going to understand that I asked you to, right?
Well, they didn't understand last time.
Did you invoke the power of Judge Fish and say, Judge Fish told me to ask you to do this?
Yeah, I told them that. and
Okay.
They wouldn't allow
Mr.
me.
Hammer, you want to approach and police this up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, I'm staying right here. We're adjourned, but I got another hearing, so you're free to go. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Yeah, you can take as long as you need.